Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey with Mike's Drones and More. And guys, today I'm doing an unboxing of my very first KwadBox from Rotor Riot. So I decided to try the KwadBox this month instead of the drone drop box from last month, just to kind of compare the two to see what's in each box. Now, also just wanted to say that this is just the regular KwadBox, is not the KwadBox Plus Boost. So this is just basically the base version of the box. So we'll take a look and see what's in this one, and then yeah, let's take a look. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the Rotor Riot KwadBox. Again, I wanted to try something different, and I wanted a shirt too, which was kind of cool. So this one's a little less. I think this one runs $25. And if you get a bigger size shirt like me, a 3X, then it's like an extra couple bucks or something like that. So it came right around to about 40 bucks, and then if you get the Boost one, it's like 40 or 50 bucks or something like that. I can't remember. And then you get some type of electronics. So I didn't try that this month, but we'll see what this one looks like. So let's go ahead and open it up. I already broke the seal, and here we go. Alright, so right off the top, looks like we're going to get 3 packs of the Dal Prop Cyclones, and these are the 5046s. And you guys know from previous unboxings, I really love these props. These Cyclones are really, really nice. I actually ran out of them, and I was hoping I would get some more in this box. So yeah, so that's cool. So if you're an FPV racer, you can always use props. You know that. I'm going to turn the box here for just a second. There we go. Alright, so yeah, so 3 packs of those, all in the purple color, so that'll go really perfect with my my purple drone. So let's see what else is in the box here. So you get some Rotor Riot 3D printed. It looks like these are the skid plates on the bottom that go on under your arms. So let me take one out of the little bag here. There we go. So they got the Rotor Riot insignia. You can take a look at that, and they are purple. So I usually don't use these, but I might just have to try them out. I've never put them on any of my drones before, but yeah, we'll see. You never know. Okay, so next looks like you get some pretty cool stickers, some Rotor Riot stickers, and these are really nice quality, you can tell. So you get like the Rotor Riot insignia there, you get the Ladrib, you get the cat here, the Fight Club, and then Rotor Riot Bird, and then Ladrib, and then Detroit FPV's Harder. So that's kind of cool. So I'll have to definitely, I love stickers, definitely very cool. In this box you get a tool. So it looks like here, okay, you get actually a really nice set of, these are ceramic tweezers, so check these out. These are really nice. They got a ceramic end, and so they're not real super sharp, but they are really nice, and they're made of a really nice metal, so that's pretty cool. That's nice. So I can always use more tweezers. And looks like MQC airframes. Okay, so it's 10% off your next order. So I don't use their airframes, but what I will do for you guys is, if any of you are interested in it, I will go ahead and hold this up for about a couple seconds here. There you go. Get the code. Get the code. All right, and it's gone. All right, so use that code if you guys want. And looks like last but not least in the box here is a new shirt. And let's take a look and let's see what this shirt looks like. And there we go. So it looks like it's a Ladrib shirt, which is pretty cool, and of course it's my size, which is awesome. So yeah, if you don't know who Ladrib is one of the Rotor Riot pilots. He's actually an awesome FPV pilot. He's usually the one that's got the different colored hair. I think right now he's got like blue colored hair, but yeah, he's really awesome, really, really good pilot. He's freaking phenomenal. I subscribe to his channel, and I watch a lot of his FPV videos. Alright guys, so that was the Rotor Riot KwadBox version for, what are we in? May. I guess it's actually, yeah, I guess it would be the May box, right? So June's box will be coming next month. So that's not too bad. For the amount that I paid, I got a shirt. You get the 10% off. You get these really nice tweezers, which is nice, because all I've got is just some like regular like black ones. So you could tell these are much better quality, so that's pretty cool. And then you get the cool stickers, and then you get the 3D printed little skid plates, and then you get 3 packs of the Dow Prop Cyclones, which is really nice. Now, I did watch some other videos of some other unboxings of the QuadBox, and it looks like this month for the electronics they got a DYS all-in-one F4, I think it was a version 2 flight board, which is pretty nice. So I think next month I'm going to go ahead and just splurge a little bit, and I'm going to spend the extra money, and I'm going to get the better box next month. So was I impressed with this box? Yes, definitely. It was cool, and you know what? It came on time. I paid for it, so if you basically, you can buy their boxes each month if you want, or you can subscribe, and I don't know if they give you a discount if you subscribe. I think they do. But basically you just buy the box individually if you want. You can pay through PayPal or credit card, I believe, and then you have to do it before the 15th, so they shut it off like the 15th at like a certain time. They've got everything on the website there. So but basically if you get it in before the 15th, then you'll get the box that month. And it let's see, they ship usually out, I think between, I think they said the 20th and the 25th or somewhere right around there. Like I said, don't quote me on all this because I don't remember exactly. But if you want to know more, go to I can't talk today, guys. Go to KwadBox.com and check them out. They got all kinds of different versions. They've got the plain Jane box like I got, and then they got the QuadBox plus boost. So I think next month I'm going to get the boost because you get a little bit more in it, but I'm still happy with what I got. I love these Cyclones. These are awesome. And the skid plates I will definitely use. The stickers are really cool. I love that. And the tool, and then a shirt, which is the kind of the reason why I went to QuadBox instead, because I never did get a shirt from Drone Drop, even though on their like little thing they asked you for the size, and I never did get a shirt. So, but they did get some cool stuff, so that was nice too. So, but this was right on time, perfect. Can't say enough about it. So definitely very worth it. And then next month we'll check out the Plus Boost and we'll see what's in that one, and then we'll do a comparison of the Drone Drop versus the QuadBox and my honest opinion of which one that you like more. So guys, if you liked the unboxing of the QuadBox, please hit the thumbs up button for me. I would very much appreciate that. And if you like my channel, if you like my reviews, if you like my FPV, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down there. And next to it there's a bell that just lets you know when I've got new videos. I have a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and sometimes extras on the weekend and in between. But if you guys like all my FPV related accessories, reviews, flights, things like that, keep tuning in because I'll keep doing more and more FPV. I got a big, huge drone race that is coming in a few months in August. I'll be giving you more information about that as it's coming up, but it's going to be my really first big race, which is really cool. So I'm looking forward to that. And of course, thank you so much for all the subscribers. Thank you for watching the channel. I really appreciate it. And in the meantime, while you're waiting for the next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for hanging out. Have an awesome day.